Hi everybody, and welcome to International Smiles and Rejuvenation. I would just like to welcome Glenys to this interview and thank her very much for doing this. We'd just like to run through a few questions to find out about how she went on her trip to Bangkok.
Okay.
Hi Glenys, how are you?
Well, thank you.
That's good. Can you tell us a little bit about the procedure you had?
Well, actually I went to Dr. Sunil and I had my upper veneers done and lower veneers. I'd had my upper veneers done 20 years ago, so the technology back then wasn't as sound as it is today, and the veneers were slightly discoloured, but he did the top and the bottom and I was extremely happy with the result. They were fantastic.
Excellent, excellent. And who was your dentist?
Well, Dr. Sunil actually oversaw the whole process. He did thorough x-rays, thorough investigation before it started, and I think that they probably have a bit of an edge with the technology.
And it's probably an obvious question, but are you happy with your results?
Very happy. My teeth are amazing. They look so youthful now compared to what they did before.
Excellent, excellent. And how would you rate your clinic experience?
It was great. I felt totally secure. The staff were very supportive right through it. Dr. Sunil is totally professional. The place is very comfortable, air conditioned. I really haven't got a complaint.
And how could you compare it to a similar experience in Melbourne, Australia, where you're from?
Well, the dentist in Melbourne, to begin with, is super expensive. So the cost of dental work in Bangkok is far less and I think superior to what I've had done in Melbourne. Dr. Sunil actually picked up 2 fillings that I needed, and I'd been to my own dentist before I left and he'd actually let me walk out the door with 2 fillings not detected, and that was the Collins Street dentist.
Wow, wow. And how did you find out about International Smiles and Rejuvenation?
I actually found out through word of mouth. A friend of mine went through them to have some cosmetic work done, and she said to me that they have an arm that does dental work, and she said, well, you know, perhaps you should try that. I've heard that it's very good, and I am super pleased with the results.
Excellent, excellent. And how would you describe your experience with International Rejuvenation?
It was a great experience. Apart from having the dental work completed, which was the primary reason that I went, I had the best holiday I've ever had. It was really fantastic. The girls were great, supportive. We did lots of things together, and I would recommend it to anyone. A lot of personal support.
Excellent, excellent. So you would be happy to recommend family and friends to International Rejuvenation then when they were considering either dental or surgery in Thailand?
Definitely. I have a cousin and she needs extensive dental work, and I'm going to say to her, look, I have the perfect package for you. I can't recommend them highly enough. It was just a superior approach to everything, and fantastic, absolutely fantastic.
Oh, I'd just like to thank you so much for that, Glenys, and your results are amazing.
I know, they're great. I'd like to
you look really
show in more detail, but they really are good.
You look wonderful, and you must feel wonderful. So we look forward to hearing from you again, and thank you very much for doing the
Thanks
interview.
very much, Sam.
Thank you.